This car is very loud. Alright, so we're here at Exotic Motors, and they have a pretty good variety of cars. But this is a car I wanted to come and take a look. C63 AMG. So this car is a 6.3 liter V8. This is a wrap, but the color on it is pretty cool. I think the original color is white, but it's got a lot of carbon fiber. What do you guys think about this car? That's a pretty cool car. I love the color on this thing. All right, so I got the keys. All right, the keys in the ignition. Now I'm gonna fire it up. Love this C63 AMG, baby, right here. Give a little bit of gas. Definitely want to drive this car. Take a look at the outside of this car, and if you guys look at the headlights, this is a nice car. I love this. I've always been a huge AMG fan, so. Drive this car today. It's a nice car, man. We are inside a Mercedes C63 6.3 liter V8 AMG, and I'm currently on a test drive with Chloe, but this car is very loud. I remember a few years back I used to drive. Remember, I've been in this car before, multiple ones. Back in the time when I used to work at a dealership, we had a lot of C63s, and I always thought it was a really nice car. Very loud, and it's a very daily driven car, and this one's pretty good shape. The Carfax is clean, but let's see how good this car does. Wow, I like it. This thing is a beast, man. It's a fast car, you know. AMG performance all the way around. The color, I mean, it's obvious it's a wrap. It's a white underneath. Yeah, this is a nice car. I like this a lot, actually. I know it's got a ton of carbon fiber. You know, the mirrors, that back lip. I don't think underneath we have a front splitter. No, we don't have anything there. But this is nice. This is really nice, for sure. Drop a comment below and let me know what you guys think about the C63. Personally, you know, I am a huge Mercedes fan. I think they're beautiful cars. Well-built performance. I mean, I think it's awesome. So let me know your thoughts. Comment below. Give me a thumbs up. This is fun to drive, actually. Ain't gonna lie to you. Very fun car. I like it a lot. I'm gonna give you guys a couple revs, and then you guys let me know what you guys think about this car. Okay? Tell me that sounds really good. Ah, this is the beauty, man. I love these cars. I love AMGs, man. V8 6.3 liters. This way to go. All right, so we're gonna go back and return this car, and then we're gonna go get some ice cream, some coffee. My little girl, my wife, later on this afternoon. So stay tuned. All right, let's go. So we're back at Exotic Motors. I appreciate these guys for letting me drive this car today. This is a nice car. It's loud. It's just everything. It's a daily driver, a dad's car, so it's a really good car. You guys know where to find this car. The mileage is really low, so V8 by turbo AMG 63. All right.